children? How are you all? Hope all are good. Yes. How is the online classes? Are you able to understanding that? You are all understanding the online class, children? ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಪಾಠ? ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ you can call me, or when we will meet in the Zoom meeting, that time you can ask me the doubts. Yes? Okay. Then what else? Yes. Every day we have to do our prayer and our daily routines. Don't fail to remember the daily routines which will help in your future. Okay, children? And with that you need to what? Yes, you need to adopt some good values also in your life. Okay? Yes? Yes. With that, I will teach you today some golden words. What are those? Thank you. Please. Excuse me. Sorry. Pardon me. Okay? It is there in the Tell Me More book. Okay? In that page number 41, the golden words. Page number 41, the golden rules. Please. Please andre enu makla? Please. We will ask no. Please mama, one chocolate for me. Please papa, take me out. Please mama, I want this gift. Please mama, I want that fruit. Like that we'll ask no. Please is nothing but a praying. And that please kodi anta requesting. It's none other than requesting. When we want some favor, we will tell please. Please nangat kodi. Please nange kelsa madkodi anta request ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, that time it is called a please. Please is a very good golden word, children. Always use this please word whenever you want to get a favor from other person. Okay? Yes? Yes. Okay. Shall I start my class today? Yes. First is as usual English. Okay, we were learning long vowel. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾವೇನೇ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ವೋವೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಇ ಐ ಓ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ವಾ? ಎ ಇ ಐ ಓ. ಲಾಂಗ್ ವೋವೆಲ್, what is the meaning of the long vowel? The word which has more than one vowel. Okay, the word which has more than one vowel, it is called a long vowel words. Okay? Today we are going to learn the long vowel, the last word, that is last letter, that is U. Okay? Long vowel U. Okay? In that we are learning the family of U E. U E. What are the words? Blue, true, clue, cue. Then what else? Due, dual, fuel. Okay, blue, true, clue, cue, due, dual, fuel. Fuel is nothing but a petrol or diesel or kerosene. This is called or gas also is a liquid fuel. Okay, long vowel U, it is a UE family. In that we have blue, true, clue, Q, due, dual and fuel. These are some words. I have taken some words which are there in your textbooks, but you can search more words in the Google also. Okay. In that, just I am going through. Okay, just I am going through in Discover Phonics. In that, the page number, Discover Phonics, page number 22. Okay, in that what they have given? UE, Q. It is nothing but a, what is that? The stick which we use in a billiards. Due is nothing but a pending. Then dual is nothing but a 2. Fuel, I told you know what is the fuel? UEI, these words as the long U sound. Say the sound of the letter U by its name. The E is silent. Correct? No blue. U. We will stop here only. True. E we will stop U. Clue. We will stop in UE. Q. We will stop U. DU. We will stop ear. Dual. We will stop ear only. Okay. UL. E is silent. Okay. UE in these words as the long U sound. Say the sound of the letter U by its name. The E is not silent. Okay. The G is low on fuel. The G is low on fuel. Means the fuel of the Jeep is low. Tim's Q to read is at the B. Tim's Q to read is at the B. Okay. They are giving the cue that when there is a beat, you need to read the singing of the note. Okay. This is in the Discovery Phonics 24, 22 and 23. You need to read these two pages. Okay. Yes, you got it, children? Yes. The homework is 4 lines book. Write UE words 4 times. And sentences of your own. Okay, make 3 sentences. Okay, the homework is 4 lines book. You have to write UE words 4 times and sentences of your own make 3 times. Make 3 times the 3 sentences. Okay, 3 sentences you have to write and UE words you have to write 4 times. You can refer page number 22 and 23 in Discover Phonics. Okay, you are understood now? This is long over U. In that we learned today UE family. Okay? Yes? Yes. Now I am moving to the next class, that is mathematics. In that we were learning subtraction. Subtraction. Okay, maths we were learning subtraction using dot method. Correct, Makla? Yesterday we were learning subtraction using the dot method. Example is 7 minus 3. How much? Okay, we will write 7 Yes. Can you tell me first what I have to do? Yes, recognize the big number. Which is the big number here? 7. I have to take 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots. Okay, in that how many I need to less? That is 3. 1, 2, 3. I have to cross out 3 dots. How many dots remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to bring down 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. The answer will be the 4. Correct now? 7 minus 3 is the answer is 4. This is the dots method subtraction. Subtraction using the dot method. Yesterday only I made you to learn this briefly. Today just I am revising you. The homework is, okay, one second. The homework is mathematics readiness book, page number 75. Page number 75. Okay. What is that? 3 minus 1, 8 minus 2. You have to draw the dots and then you need to strike it off. Okay. This is the homework mathematics readiness book, page number 75. Okay children? Yes. Now we are going to our EVS class. Today's we are learning the new concept, that is insects. Okay, today we are learning insects. Okay, insects andre ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಜಂತುಗಳು. Okay, ಜಂತುಗಳು. ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ insects ಅಂದ್ರೆ what do you mean by insects? Can you tell me? Can you tell me what is the insects? There are many kinds of insects. We can find the insects at the home also and also outside the home in the world. Okay, some insects are so helpful to farmers also. Okay, then what else? Insects, there are many kinds of insects. There are 3 parts of insects. First I'll write some insects name. You come to know what are those. First is cockroaches. Cockroach, honeybee, grass, hopper, then butterfly, then what else? House plant, spider, ant. I written cockroach, honeybee, grasshopper, butterfly, housefly, spider and ant. These are some insects. There are so many insects are there. Okay. Today, tomorrow also we will go to learn. We will learn this much few insects today. That is cockroach, honeybee, grasshopper, butterfly, housefly and spider and the ant. As I told you, insects having 3 parts. Okay. this is the middle part, that is called a thorax. Okay, this is wings. This is antenna. Okay, these are the legs. Okay, the insects have three body parts, mainly three parts, that is head, thorax and abdomen. Abdomen ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ abdomen ಅಂತಾನೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, abdomen. It is also having legs. The two string type ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಅದನ್ನ antenna ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, especially in the butterfly and in honeybee, they will carry the honey from the antenna only. They will carry the pulse of grains. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಗಿಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣದು ಬೀಜ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಹೂವ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಆಂಟೆನಾ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ body of the insect. What are those? Antenna, head, wings. You all know all the insects, most of the insects have the wings. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಣ್ಣದಾದರೂ ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಥಾರೆಕ್ಸ್, ಥಾರೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಂಟಲ್ ಭಾಗ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಥಾರೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಭಾಗ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಬ್ಡಮನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. Then they have the legs also. You have seen no legs. Okay, these are some are house. We can find some insects in the house like cockroaches, spider and housefly. These we will find these insects at house. Honeybee, grasshopper and butterfly we can find outside in the grasslands or in the paddy fields or on the trees and all we can find. Okay children, now today I am going to discuss little about insects. Okay, first we will write some questions regarding these. First question, which insect gives us honey? Which insect is in brown color? Which insect build its web? Okay, the fourth question, which insect lives in ant hill? Okay, these are some questions. Okay, which insect gives us honey? Which insect is in brown color? Which insect builds its web? Which insect lives in ant-hill? Okay, this you need to read at home. Okay, okay children. Then what else about the insect? We can see that this answer you need to learn yourself, and the homework is, okay, the homework is in the leaf book, draw picture of insect and make the body. Okay, with that, in the 4-line set, you have to write these questions and write the answer. Take the help of the mama and you can do this. Okay, write these questions and write the answer for the same. In the book, you have to draw a picture of insect and name the parts of the body. I already taught you know that 5 parts of the body you need to do. Put today's date and then you can draw the insect in the right hand side of your book, that is plain sheet. Then you can write the question and answers in the left hand side, that is 4 lines. You can take the help of mama to write the question, but answer you have to do yourself. Okay children, that's all for today. Today I have done very less, okay, what chapters for you, because I am giving time to learn you. Do well and try to finish the homework day by day basis. Okay, see you all tomorrow. Bye.